Fitness expert Jack LaLanne has died. Reports say the 96-year-old LaLanne died at his home in California Sunday. LaLanne's son, Doyle, told the New York Times his father suffered respiratory failure resulting from pneumonia. Jack LaLanne spent 8 decades instructing others about fitness and its benefits for overall health. As a teenager, LaLanne became inspired after hearing health and nutrition expert Paul C. Bragg speak at a local women's club. LaLanne began working out regularly, and in 1936 he opened a combination gym, health food store, and juice bar in Oakland, California. In the early 1950s, LaLanne began appearing on San Francisco area television, showing viewers how to exercise and eat well. The Jack LaLanne Show went nationwide in 1959 and aired through the mid-1980s. Jack LaLanne continued his own personal fitness routine, which included 2 hours of workouts involving weightlifting and swimming, well into his 90s. He continued to demonstrate feats of strength as well. When he was 60 years old, LaLanne swam from Alcatraz Island to Fisherman's Wharf in San Francisco. While swimming, LaLanne was handcuffed, shackled, and towing a boat. LaLanne's agent, Rick Hirsch, tells the Associated Press LaLanne ate healthy and exercised every day of his life up until the end. Jack LaLanne is survived by his wife of more than 50 years, Elaine LaLanne, and 3 children, 2 sons and a daughter. Elaine LaLanne issued a written statement saying, "I've not only lost my husband and a great American icon, but the best friend and most loving partner anyone could ever hope for." In 2009, while celebrating his 95th birthday, LaLanne joked on CBS's The Early Show about his advancing years, saying, "I can't afford to die. It would wreck my image." For more information on this topic, visit the link below.